am 20 years old. I'm currently studying Administración en Salud at University Compensar. Today, I want to talk about government employment affecting of the neighborhood center in North City. Many residents are unhappy because of their houses, traffic, crime, and pollution. The local government asked me to make comment if why a plan to solve these problems and improve in the lives of the people living too. Traffic. To reduce traffic, I propose creating efficient public transportation system where electric buses can run and more friendly and cover more areas. We can also build bike lanes and present only streets to promote the cleaner and safer ways to move around. And to fight crime, where we install more security cameras in the local stations and increase police presence. We will also focus on prevention by creating community programs for the people, schools and workshop, sport activities, and culture center to keep them engaged and away from violence. Pollution. To reduce pollution, we need more green space where we plant more trees. We move smart, we move parks and encourage recycling through awareness campaigns in schools and households.